Lemon cucumbers again and again and again. These cucumbers were going crazy in the garden. One plant gave us over 100 cucumbers, and at one point we counted 160 flowers on one plant, and that took a while to count all of them. It climbed up this stand that we had that used to be a shoe rack, and it was so fun to watch the cucumbers come up every day. It seemed like they were hidden. It was like a game of hide and seek. We made some delicious, fresh cucumber stackers, and they look like flowers when they're cut. We love the lemon cucumber and can't wait to plant it again in 2024.